And hello everyone! What's up? My name's Ergo, the lowly human, and I'm back for another unboxing video. So this time, I'm going to unbox these huge box. A very big box. I ordered it 4 days ago. Just got it today, and this was delivered by Ninja Van. The shop I ordered it from is called Hardware Sugar. Hardware Sugar, a very great, awesome computer shop. They sell high-end products at drool-worthy prices. So if you guys want to check out Hardware Sugar, please click the link below. Okay, so here we go. Unboxing. Super big box. Lots of bubble wrap. Let's go. Ha! There we go. From the top. So you can see the Ninja Van label here. More plastics. So this is the second layer of plastic. Okay, well, you guys can probably see a box a little bit. There's a label there. H510. And this one. NZXT. What could this be? So, ito muna. So, this is actually, may malaking box dito. One. And there are 2 small boxes here at the top. So, tatlo. 3 in total. Let's open the top portion, separate it from the big box. Yun, no? Ooh. Ito na unahin natin. I think you guys can vaguely see. Ano to? Here comes the box. Ooh. Oh. Yes, it is a video card. Specifically a GeForce RTX 360 Ti from Ventus. It's a graphics card. Yeah. So I'm actually building my PC. Right now I'm only using a laptop, although it's a good laptop, but of course still not the same. I need a PC. Here we go. GeForce RTX 360 Ti. From MSI. Yup. So this is our new graphics card or new video card. That's the first one. So yung unang box kanina, video card. Ngayon, motherboard naman. As I mentioned kanina na we're building our own PC, so of course you also need the motherboard or the MOBO. So this one is the MSI MPG X570 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi. So that's it for the motherboard. MPG X570 Gaming Wi-Fi Edge or Gaming Edge Wi-Fi. Yon. Finito. And there. NZXT-H510. This is a compact mid-tower ATX case. Okay, so far we got the video card, GeForce RTX 360 Ti. We have the motherboard. This is MPG X570 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi. This is AMD motherboard. We have the case. This is the NZXT H510 ATX case, matte white. And actually there are other goodies inside the case. To prevent the other parts from being crushed, hardware sugar wisely put the smaller parts inside the tower case. Make sure they're protected, make sure they're not damaged during delivery. So let's open the case so we can get the other parts. And there you see the case. This is the back of the case. Okay, I can see the other parts. It's inside the case. And ta-da! Ta-da! There, you can see there are other packages. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Hardware Sugar, for making sure my orders are protected in the plastic. Alright. Two more packages from Hardware Sugar. The last two. Okay, so buksan muna natin to. This square-like package. Case in bubble wrap once again. Yung ito. Sobrang kapal ng bubble wrap. Super protection. That's for this small box, which is the CPU or the processor. So this is a Ryzen 7 3rd gen processor. It's a AMD Ryzen 7 3700X. It's an 8-core 16-thread processor, 4.4 GHz max boost and 3.6 GHz base. It includes the Rate Prism thermal solution and installation instructions. Okay, so kasama din cooler with AMD. So may konting batter lang dito sa baba from the delivery. Pero compared to most of my packages that I ordered from Lazada, grabe, sobrang battered ng boxes na yun. Ito, konti lang. Yan lang. And check nyo yung ibang boxes Ito, motherboard. Halos walang damage sa box. Still intact. Ito naman yung video card. Halos wala ding damage, konti lang. Mga sa edges. Or considering ito yung top half ng package, you would expect mas madaming battering or mga dents sa box. Pero still good. So you can see grabe yung care, protection na binigay ng Hardware Sugar for our package. Thank you, Hardware Sugar. Grabe. Kudos. Galing. 7. So let's open the last one from Hardware Sugar. This is the SSD and the RAM. Yun na. Yep. There we go. So SSD, this is a 256GB MP3 SSD PCI Gen 3 X4 from Team Group. It has a 5-year warranty. That's long. M.2 series solid state drive. So that is one. Actually I bought two. It's here. Okay. Okay, so that's it. That is all the parts right now that we have. We're still waiting. Most likely, the other parts will arrive tomorrow. The other parts we did not order from Hardware Sugar. So we still need the PSU. PSU and a cooler. Well, actually, we already have a built-in stock fan. We have a cooler with the processor here, the rate prism thermal solution. Okay, so yeah guys, please stay tuned. Pagdating ng ibang parts, then we will make an assembly video. Of course, unboxing muna ng ibang parts, then assembly of the entire PC. Exciting. Alright, so yeah, stay tuned, and Virgo, the lowly human, signing off. Bye guys. Hardware Sugar number 1. Yeah. Hardware Sugar number 1.